Hello and welcome to Gardening Naturally with Green Fingertips. My name's Josie and I am your natural gardening coach. So today we're talking about the benefits of natural gardening over conventional gardening. I'll be going for a couple of the different benefits, the pros and cons, if you like, compared from natural gardening to conventional gardening. So natural gardening has become quite popular over the last 10 years or so with new and existing gardeners. And gardeners seem to be more willing now to give time to the garden taking care of itself. Rather than looking for the quickest and most effective treatment, a quick bang, problem solved kind of solution, natural gardening's got a bit more of an overall health effect. So it's become a lot more of a favourable method of gardening, which is amazing. I love it. So yes, it supports the ecosystem in the garden. It supports the entire garden rather than just treats and just feeds. It has a harmonious effect. Everything works in harmony. Everything works in conjunction with each other. So the fact that there's no chemicals involved in natural gardening is a massively huge selling point for it, especially now where everybody is kind of looking for the more natural way of doing things, reducing the amount of plastics and reducing the amount of chemicals that they're using. The idea of being able to make feeds and treatments themselves. So if you're interested in making your own feeds and your own pest controls, at the end of this video, I'll leave a link to my playlist for natural gardening feeds and treatments. So it'll talk you through all the different feeds that I've made and how you can make them yourself, the treatments that they treat and the feeds, what they promote and how they feed your plants. So that'll be at the end, so look out for that. So natural gardening, mainly because it's chemical free, it is safer for kids and pets. It is safer for kids and pets, for children and pets. And there's a lot less stress involved in the whole process. So you're not going to go into your shed and pick up the wrong bottle of stuff and then kill a patch of your lawn off. You're not going to worry about your dogs running around on the lawn or around on the patio if you just sprayed weed killer down. And you're not worried that the kids are going to have an adverse effect to something you've sprayed in the garden. The difference between natural gardening and conventional gardening, if you like, is natural gardening plays the long game. It looks at the bigger picture and it doesn't just treat the issue that's happening right then. It looks at if the soil's got enough nutrients to help the plants year on year, support the ecosystem in the soil. Have you got enough flowers growing in your garden to attract in the pollinators, which are then going to promote the reproduction and promote the fruit and veg that grow in your garden? It's all about playing the long game. It's about everything working in harmony and it's about everything supporting each other. Conventional gardening is very much about tackling the issues that show themselves at the moment. It's about taking care of the garden, yes, but not looking past the issues that are in front of you. It's a very short-term way of thinking, but it has worked. It's been the practiced way of gardening. I love the fact natural gardening plays the long game, and I love the fact that you have to develop the system in your garden. You have to condition the soil, you have to promote the planting and think about the plants, so you've got the plants in your garden, to get the best insects and wildlife in to keep the garden happy and healthy. It's a lot of planning and a lot of, especially for a new garden, but the long-term effect of it would be you don't have to look after your garden so much because your garden's looking after your garden for you. So in the long run, it saves you a lot of time, a lot of effort and a lot of money and saving you a lot of stress. So if you're interested in making your own feeds and treatments for your garden, then click this link here. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up to help YouTube show my videos to more people. And if you want to see more videos from myself, from Gardening Naturally with Green Fingertips, click the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified each week when my new videos come out. So on that note, I will see you in my next video and have a lovely day. See you later.